to another video of me, Prue. But today, instead of painting statues, I'm going to be opening Remix! But before we get started, click the subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. So let's just peel this and let's just start opening this. Oh, and also if Cookies Falsey is watching this video, me and my sister are a huge fan of you. Oh, it seems like we have a silver box today. So guys, let's just open this up now. Wow, look at this girl. She looks cool. So let's just open her up and see a proper look of her, not just in pink. Wow, she looks cool. Now guys, wow, look at this girl. Look at these cute golden tights and this swimsuit. And look at those hair bits. She has green and pink and even some curls and brown eyes and hoop earrings. Now, wow, that's amazing. Now let's just open the first baggie. Open surprises. Wow, this is a cool music hair clip, guys, don't you think? Now, wow, another one. 2 hair clips. Then let's open the next baggie. That looks exactly the same as the other one, so let's just peel. Surprises open. Sesame. 2 brushes. Now, wow, that's a surprise. 2 brushes. I mean, when I did that the other time, I actually got a remix. It only came with 1 brush. Now, let's see the shoes. Wow, zebra. 1 zebra shoe. And 2 zebra shoe. Now, let's open this baggie. Wow, it looks like there's something fat in here. Maybe it's the music instrument. Let's just open it up. No, it's the clothes. Look at this cute zebra dotted clothes. Well, not zebra dotted, but a different animal. Now that's so cool. Okay, let's just have another look. Now, wow, look at that. The back even. Now, wow. I mean, look at those prints. So detailed. Now let's open this baggie. Baggy's baggie. Toy surprise. Oh, the sippy cup. It looks like somebody's drinking coffee. Now time to open this thin baggie. Okay, it's not thin. Yeah, it's not thin. Okay, let's open this up. Let's peel. Surprise is open. What is this? Oh, she's the main dancer. She has a microphone. Now I know that girl. Now look at this pink disc. I think this looks amazing. Don't you think? If you like it, say yes. If you like it, down in the comments. Wait, what's that? Oh, look, she has a little stand. As you can see here, her name is Alto. Now let's just get her dressed up all in this. Put it in super speed. Then let's take off this new one's boots. And just take off all of her clothes. As you can see that I took off some of her hair bits. Took out her hairstyle. So now let's dip her. Oh, look at that. So let's just dip her in the cold water. Dip, 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 dip. We need to make sure that all of her hair goes inside. Now dip in. Any colour change at all? Any colour change? Let's dip her out. Any colour change? Okay guys, so let's just put the mat down. Right here. Then let's dip her out. Now, well, now her body. Any colour change? Any colour change at all? A colour changed, guys. Look. For the stripes. Okay, now time for the hot. Okay. Make sure she has all of her hair in. Colour change, colour change, colour change. Guys, look! She colour changes. Let's dip her right back in. Colour change, colour change. Yay, I like to splash around! And it's appearing right back. Now hot again. No swimsuit and back. A second, is she going to colour change back? Guys, I think she's not going to colour change back. Looks like she's not colour changing back. Okay, let's just keep dipping her in. Keep on. Okay, guys, this is a disaster. It looks like she's not colour changing back. But wait a second, I think it's actually the hot. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is okay. I think that star on Rhodey's eye actually colour changes. So let's see. I'm going to see if it colour changes. One shoe. Two shoe. Now let's dip in. Colour change at all. Now back into the cold. No, I guess not. And guys, before we leave the video, click the subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up for my little LOL doll. Bye!